Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we are installing our 10.25 inch Android screen in a Range Rover full size. It's Range Rover HSE TD6 full size. Also, right now we are having the DIY installation videos are on our website, and those are they only have accessible to our customers, so they can create an account and they can watch all those installation videos, including the installation of this specific vehicle. So you can see the screen is installed. It's perfectly matched with the existing spot of the radio. The screen is fully touch. It's the latest, the second generation of these units. It's 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of hard 1920 resolution with anti-glare blue screen, exclusively from our shop. You can go back to the factory side of Range Rover menu, and instead of the buttons right now you have these icons on left and right, and you can control whatever you used to control with your car without any problem. The 360 camera or any other features such as your radio and so on. By touching the home button you can go back to the aftermarket mode, and the best part of our unit, we add the Apple CarPlay Android Auto with our USB dongle, so you can use Google Maps, you can use Waze, you can play songs through Spotify. You can do all these things with our screen. And you can go to Waze. Also, by clicking on Land Rover logo, it goes back to the main menu. You have the cluster app section I already show you. You have easy connection, and also you can play video through our screen, full screen, even while you're on drive without any problem. If you're interested to get these type of screens, you can buy them online from 4x4shop.ca, or you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, and one of our technicians will be more than happy to guide you to get the right unit. And for the second generation of these units, no matter what your screen is, capacitive or resistive, it works with both. It's just a matter of setting, and we're going to show you how to do those settings in one of our DIY videos. As I said, you have access to them if you buy the unit from us. You have the fully access to the back end of our videos and watch all the DIY videos, all the tips, and all the owner manuals. Thank you and have a great day.